Channel sounding is the latest method of calculating distance between two objects. Channel sounding is a feature introduced in the Bluetooth 6.0 spec. Today, some systems use RSSI to estimate distance, but people, walls, or other obstacles in the path can cause significant measurement errors. RSSI is also susceptible to man-in-the-middle attacks, where an attacker can spoof the signal to make it appear closer. This poses security risks for applications such as locks, where the attacker could gain access when the user isn't in range. Bluetooth is everywhere, and with the introduction of Bluetooth channel sounding, we can use it for accurate, secure, and low-latency distance measurements with centimeter-level accuracy. Bluetooth channel sounding has two roles: an initiator that sends the signal and the reflector that responds. These are used for round-trip time and phase-based ranging. Round-trip time sends packets that are cryptographically scrambled, preventing replay attacks and spoofing. The round-trip time is measured and provides a coarse distance estimate. Then, phase-based ranging measures phase shifts across multiple frequencies, making imitation extremely difficult and enabling centimeter-level accuracy. Together, these methods deliver secure and precise localization for a variety of use cases. IoT ambient awareness enables smart homes, computing devices, and industrial systems that sense a user's presence and respond intelligently. Automotive secure car access can detect driver movement and behavior up to 100 meters away, ensuring only authorized users can unlock and start vehicles. NXP takes Bluetooth channel sounding further with our localization compute engine. This implements complex and proprietary algorithms to compute distance, and it reduces latency by nearly 45% compared to calculations on an ARM Cortex-M33, delivering unmatched accuracy and responsiveness. NXP's new channel-sounding certified KW47 and MCX W72 wireless MCUs are set to help developers leverage secure, accurate, and low-latency sensing in new designs. Learn more at nxp.com/bcs.